Dumelang Lindlords, this is your girl Disable D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with some updates on Uthando Nesthembu. Now, the page of Uthando Nesthembu started posting the wives, right? And in particular, I want to start with the post Kama Khumalo. The caption is, "A woman secure within herself quietly challenges those accustomed to holding power through necessity." And then it says it's a quote from Road Riding, right? And I was like, hashtag Makhumalo, hashtag unkosikazi womuntu, hashtag Uthando Nesthembu, hashtag live, love, laugh, right? Now I said, let me just check the comments. I'm gonna read at least 5, right? That I found like, Busisiwe says, "This was never love." Mthombeni enjoyed the fact that Make betansela isiginci sakhe. He enjoyed the fact that whenever he says jump, she will jump. Guys, I genuinely think it was love, right? I think, I don't know, maybe I might be wrong. I think Umseleku liked Uthobile and loved Uthobile and vice versa. Just that now the marriage dynamics changed because of who they are personally in life and how they've grown individually in their respective ways. And unfortunately, with growth, with individualism, people vele will change and they will not necessarily see eye to eye in a lot of things. That's just my thinking. And then, she's Skira baby. Uti, I remember vividly an episode where she stated she wouldn't be where she is if Musa wasn't with her. This girl was the favorite, and everyone would say it. I believe it came as a shock to her that he went to love another woman, and it's not easy to accept when you were convinced it was only you. And you guys talk about everything tight, chomis, the it couple, then boom. Guys, I believe, this is me, I believe when you're married, you will give credit to your partner as and when you grow. It just works well because your partner is supporting you and many decisions you are making together and you're sharing ideas. That is why Umakhumalo stated that. That's just me. Correct me if I'm wrong, right? Was she the favorite? I don't know. I love Makhumalo per se. Like, she's my favorite wife. Then Kuzabanye, ne? But I think Uguchi Seleku is still like loves Mayeni more. I don't know why, but I just see him loving Mayeni more. But yeah, I think also it hit hard. Uguchi Seleku fell in love with another woman and fell in love in the same playgrounds as Umakhumalo. Hence, we are here. I don't know, guys. Do you think Ugutu Makumale is better because Umusa found somebody that loves her more than that loves that other woman more than her? I don't know. I don't know. And somebody posted, the lawyer CEO, right, says the last time she said the husband would be posting things on social media and confirming to all of us that they are fine. In the meanwhile, they are not even on talking terms. You know Mtombeni, right? And he just doesn't post. He posts with a caption with the love of my life. He has it right in. And then when you ask yourself, how nindlule kanjani la? Mtombeni undlulile. Umtombeni akalali phansi. Undlulile, whether uMakhumalo undlulile rena akandlulanga, yena undlulile. But I hope he's not the one posting this thing. I hope there's somebody running Uthando Nesthembu page and posting all of this on their behalf. Uslai Selayelo says, they both need to let go and forgive each other for the sake of their marriage. Both their egos won't save this marriage. And I think she doesn't love him anymore, or she's just trying to prove a point to social media. Well, I honestly also think they should forgive each other and move on with their marriage and find a common ground, because at the end of the day, basahleli bawu-two, you know. But I don't think ukuthi uMakhumalo akasamthandi uMthombeni. I think ukuthi uMakhumalo still loves uMthombeni. It's just that at this point, she's tired. You know, like any other person, she was tired. The arguments and every marriage gets to that. Is she doing it to prove to social media? Also, I don't know. But I don't also think that's entirely her reason, because social media is pushing her to leave, and Ugirl has stayed. Even after the interview that he did with Ulungelo, he did say Uguti, I mean, she did say rather Uguti, she's not leaving her husband. She's still with her husband, and she's hoping that things will get better. And she couldn't share more because Uthando Nesthembu was still airing at that time. So the love part, I cannot attest to it. And then Ulash said, Umakwela will end up like Macele, where the man is providing for everything and it will be compulsory to them to agree on everything that Musa says. For Macele's house is beautiful, I agree, but there is no content there. Makumalo's house consists of the content, nature of independency and education. It is an institution for women in general. Whew, yeah, that's a powerful statement. That's a powerful statement. And I saw a lot of people bashing Gusi Makumalo's house is empty. Guys, even if you can live Mkukwini in a shack, as long as you have provided that shack for yourself as a woman, it means the world, because you know Uguti, no man will ever remove you, dethrone you, or change that of you. So big up to Umakumalo for building her own house at this point. Ugirl ubonisile ukuthi unamandla, and amandla amenzeleni amakhela umuzi. And then Lerato Evans says, there is nothing wrong with divorce. If both parties cannot reach a compromise and it's taking a toll on their mental health and general well-being, Makumalo is hurt, but Musa is not that guy. He has an objective of getting 20 children, and he does not care if it's Makumalo's neighbor or what. I hear your point, but guys, divorce is not always the solution. Most people don't think Uguti, when we're in conflict, divorce should be the first thing that we run to. People deal with issues and matters in different ways. I know that we've normalized Uguti, mawungajabulanga shia, but not everything is worth sharing. And I believe Uguti, when Makumalo is ready to leave Umseleku, she will do that with her health held up high. And then I'm going to read the last comment from Bella. Bella says, what I've noticed is that Umusa is gentle with other wives than he is with Umakumalo. No matter how disrespectful the other wife can be towards Umusa, he will find a way of making peace. Makumalo, on the other hand, Makumalo, on the other hand, isn't handled with the same care. It is as if she is not even allowed to have an opposing view. She never curses him out or being disrespectful, yet she receives the most wrath from Umusa. And I believe this is because she doesn't have a child with him, because he always mentions it as a uku, u- ukuhluleka kwamakhumalo. And this is distasteful. Okay guys, angikwazi ukufunda isiZulu kahle ne. I try ukusikhuluma, but ukusifunda I'm not fluent. Ke Motswana after all. But yeah, I've seen that ne. I've seen that others are able to bayehle banyuke phezu kwakhe Mthombeni, and Umthombeni will go back. But uMakhumalo, under no circumstances has she disrespected Umusa in a way where one would feel like, yo, this is shocking, this is beyond. The only time where people felt like the disrespect was wow, it was when Tobile said there is a toilet outside, of which Vele there is a toilet outside. She needed to lock her doors, she needed to sleep, and Umusa needed to go. I loved that part, guys. I know I'm toxic for it. But what do you guys think? Based on this particular post and picture posted by the page here, Uthando Nesthembu, do you think Uguti balungisile? Do you think Uguti they are okay? Do you think Uguti our lovers are back? Umakhumalo kaMseleku, uThobile kaMusa, or do you think it's a ploy, or a butting clickbait, or whatever what they call it, to make us talking about this couple over and over and over again? But with that said, Mina personally, I love Uma Khumalo and I pray for her. I wish her all good things, and I know Guti God has her back. This is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.